Earlier this June, Samsung and AMD announced a multi-year partnership that will allow Samsung to use AMD's RDNA graphics architecture in its mobile devices. At the time, Samsung didn't confirm which devices the chip is going to be powering, although we would have loved to see it on the Galaxy S11. Unfortunately, it's not going to be ready by then, but we are likely to see it on the Galaxy S12. I am Keno and this is Enkore Tech. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Samsung bringing AMD's Radeon technology to mobile platforms is gonna be big for the industry, and a direct threat to Qualcomm's Adreno GPU and the Apple GPU, which is arguably the best GPU in smartphones. But this is gonna be even bigger for Samsung because its Exynos-powered devices fall short in the GPU department, incorporating ARM's Mali GPU, which isn't as powerful as the Apple GPU or even Qualcomm's Adreno GPU. So it's a much needed move in order to improve the graphics performance of the Exynos chipsets. Whilst it would have been nice to see the AMD-based GPU on the Galaxy S11, it's gonna skip the S11 and most likely make its debut on the Galaxy S12, if that's what they call it. It was revealed in Samsung's 2019 second quarter earnings call, which unfortunately saw a decline of 56%. There, Samsung revealed that the first chips would arrive in 2021 at the earliest, and that puts it in line with the S12's launch. But if it doesn't debut on the S12, then we would most likely see it on the Galaxy Note 12, in an upgraded version of the Exynos 9840 or whatever Samsung decides to call it. If that happens, it's gonna be similar to how they're using the Exynos 9825 on the Galaxy Note 10, which is an upgraded version of the Exynos 9820 that was on the S10. That aside, this GPU is gonna greatly improve gaming on future Galaxy devices. I wouldn't be surprised if other Android manufacturers decide to use Samsung's chipsets because of the GPU, especially on their gaming phones. On the CPU side, Samsung has announced a major breakthrough in its fabrication process that will put it at least 12 months ahead of its competition, and also increase the battery life and performance of its future smartphones. The basic idea is that Samsung has found a way to reduce its Exynos chipsets to a significantly smaller 3nm footprint.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Yes, while others are working on 5nm chipsets for 2021, Samsung is already working on 3nm chipsets, and this will boost its performance by 35% while using 50% less battery life. So we can expect the S12 to be a beast in performance and also have amazing battery. The S12 is also expected to use Samsung's new Infinity display by hiding the selfie camera under the display, so the front of the device will be all screen. Xiaomi and Oppo has done something similar, but the image quality produced from the selfie camera is quite terrible. I hope by the time Samsung implements it, there will be no issues with the image quality. And lastly, we might see a new UI on top of Android from Samsung, expected to debut on the Galaxy S12. It's not confirmed yet, although I wouldn't want to change One UI. It's already amazing the way it is, but if they can give us something even better, then please by all means do. Let me know what you guys think about the Galaxy S12 in the comment section below. Like if you enjoyed the video and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.